Hi. Hello.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Hey,
Down here where the security system is, because that's what we're doing today. We're getting rid of that stupid thing. And I got my little helper with me today. You ready to get this thing fixed?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, let's
do this.
Let's do it.
Let's just keep popping out.
Yeah. Okay, let's do it. Alright, so this stupid thing is the security system. You can see there's this kill switch right here. And then there's like another one right here that does something. I don't even know. So yeah, that's where we're at. It looks like I've got some screws to remove here to kind of get access to this. But yeah, we're gonna take this thing out, get this thing out of my life. If I had something to blow it up with, I probably would. And yeah, I guess we're gonna work on that.
Okay.
Alright, so that went about as bad as it could go. Probably gonna call it a night for now, but gotta make sure I have the right stuff to kind of replace it. There's a couple wires that went up under the steering column that I have to track down and figure out. I took out my seat. I guess you can see in here. So took out the seat, which is something that I wanted to do anyway at some point because I'm pretty tall and I don't quite fit in this car all that great. So while I got it out, I'm going to see if there's anything I can do to maybe make it sit lower. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, I gotta get some more stuff to connect this stuff up right, because I don't want it to come disconnected. So yeah, I think that's what we're gonna call it for tonight. But yeah. Alright, I'm back. It's a new day. Some little sleep and some time to think about it. Got it figured out. So what's nice is I'm having to like take out a bunch of these wires and stuff, but really I think the only ones that matter are these two. So this one goes to the starter. Let's see, actually it says it right here. Starter motor and starter key. So basically this one goes to the starter motor, this one goes to the key. They were plugged into the box, which meant that everything had to work for the power to go from here to here, or from here to here, or whatever. But now all I gotta do is put those together. So I've got the stuff so I can do it properly. Alright, so I got my keys in. Got this thing welded up like really ghetto. So we're just gonna see. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
So that's working. So kinda, I guess I just need to clean up all the rest of this stuff and
put the wires back in.
put everything back together. Alright, so I got all that stuff put back together. The only thing left is to put the seat back in, but I wanted to just take a look at it real quick. Having a hard time finding online like pictures or anything of what it looks like, so yeah, I'm not really kind of sure of the mechanism, and definitely not finding really anything as far as like a modification to lower the seat, so we'll see. I don't know, but let's take a look at it. Alright, so I'm not seeing anything specific. I wonder if you can somehow take this slide part off and just attach it directly to this rail here. That would take off probably about 1 inch, which for me would be very nice. I've seen modifications where people just kind of remove foam. I'd kind of like to avoid doing that for now. I eventually need to get these reupholstered or something, but I don't know. We'll see. It's kind of nice to just get a look of what it looks like underneath. And when I have more time, I'll probably take them out to actually kind of figure stuff out with it. Alright, so we got it working, took it for a little spin. It's running just fine. So yeah, that went a lot better than I thought it was. I thought it was going to be a pain in the butt once I got into it last night. It was pulling stuff off. Yeah. So yeah, overall not too bad. So anyway, we'll see you next time. Bye.